Men always just need to something after the fact. Like, you didn't know you had to get all this stuff together before you brought yourself and found me. Like, you didn't know you had all these things to do before you introduced me to your representative, right? I don't like how y'all took long to pick up the FaceTime, so next time I FaceTime y'all, hurry up and answer because you're gonna miss a session. Okay, let's go. And what it do, y'all? Clearly you already see I'm a little buzzed. I started without y'all because like I said, y'all took so long to answer the damn FaceTime. But we got some things to do. We gonna get blazed and have a little smoke sesh. We gonna just talk for a little bit because I got some shit on my mind. Like, I don't know, my mind's been running lately, and I know they say it's good to like write stuff down in a diary and yada yada yada, but I'm a verbal person. If I'm not talking about it, it's still gonna be on my mind, so I don't really know how that goes. So yeah, the first topic I do want to talk about though is like dating. I currently live in Atlanta, if you don't know it, and dating in Atlanta is crazy. But dating in general is crazy, but dating in Atlanta is like, no. It's too much freaking games, right? And boom, my thing is, if you as a man know you got a lot of shit going on, why would you come and involve me in your life knowing you got a lot of shit going on, or knowing you gotta figure stuff out? Like, y'all know how niggas always talking about, oh yeah, I'm going through yada yada right now, I just need to figure it out. Men always just need to something after the fact. Like, you didn't know you had to get all this stuff together before you brought yourself and found me. Like, you didn't know you had all this stuff to do before you introduced me to whatever you wanted to, before you introduced me to your representative. You didn't know you had all these things to do before you introduced me to your representative, right? Mind you, I'm minding my little old business, just there, just living life, and here you go, just running me down, trying to get my attention. You got it and you play. Like, I don't know why men do that. Like, they always run you down, get you, and then it's all of a sudden, oh, I need to get my life together. And y'all know the funny thing is, like, they never really even need to get their life together. All they really want to do is just more girls without having it on their conscience that they talking to you or doing you dirty. Like, huh? Where they really do that at? I mean, now I know where they do that at, but come on, like, let's be for real. And it be the people, like, I'm not even gonna say it be the people, well, I'm gonna say for me, like, you wasn't even my type for real. Like, why would you play? Why would you play in my face? Why would you play in my face? But I'm gonna give y'all that story time a whole nother time. But I really just don't understand, right? But that's one topic right there, because niggas got me fucked up. I'm a retired crash out, okay? Like, I chill, but I will have your car sitting on bricks, okay? I will take all, I will take it, snatch it, okay? Nah, I'm playing. But yeah, I don't like that, like I said, you could have left me alone. Oh, boom. That's how we gonna end that topic. Like, you could have left me alone for real, because 99.9% of the time, that's what it is. Like, you didn't know me and I didn't know you, but you made yourself know me. Like, come on now, let's be for real. I need men to stop that. If you are not ready for anything, or you just want to fuck around, like, just find some other girls that just want to F around too, because I'm not that type of girl. And it's crazy because I hate when niggas play. I'm like, oh yeah, like, you don't be like, we be so stupid and we don't ask questions from the beginning. Like, duh, I'm gonna ask you if you look for something serious. Duh, I'm gonna tell you, like, bitch, I'm not here for no going with the flow. Like, never was I'm not here for that. I'm too grown to be going with the flow with anybody, bitch. Like, this ain't a goddamn river. This is not a river. Okay, period. But yeah, other than that, y'all, I've been a little depressed lately. Like, so I just been trying to pick myself up and kind of like make more videos. This is the third video I've made this week, so I'm kind of proud of myself, because like I said, if you've been depressed, you know that thing ain't no joke. And a lot of people, it's easier said than done to like get out of it and push yourself out of it. But when you're deep down in it, bro, like it's so hard to get through. It is so hard to push through it. Like every day, I'm just like, you gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. But it's some days where I just be like, I cannot go no more, bro. Like I cannot go no more. And I just be like, God, like, just give me the strength to keep pushing, because I don't know how I'm even still moving. Like, I don't know how I'm still going. I just don't know, bro. I do not freaking know. And it's a scary feeling to just not know what the hell is going on, or just not know why. Like, why you just thinking the things that you think. It's just not knowing is not a good thing for me, and I don't like that. Like, I don't like that. So I've just been trying to, like, just trying to get myself out of it. Just trying not to be sad, trying not to cry, y'all. I'm a Cancer. Yeah, I'm a Cancer, so try not to cry, bitch, please. I cry off at any freaking thing, and that's so damn sad. That's so sad, but it's like, you know, I feel better after I cry. After I cry and take a nap, can't tell me nothing. But like other stuff I've been doing to try to like just get out of being a little depressed. I've been cooking a lot. Like, I love to cook, and I realized once I do hit like depression really hard, I stop cooking, and I'm like, okay, that's when I know I've hit rock bottom. I mean, I know I'm a small person and all that stuff, but I eat. I have a fast metabolism, but I really be eating. But it's like, okay, once I notice that I stop cooking, bro, I'm like, okay, yeah, bitch, you real depressed right now. But yeah, like when you like really depressed, it's just so hard to get out of that, like I said. But every day I just be trying to push through. That's why I don't be liking when people play with my feelings or just like play with me in general, cause like I be to myself. So if I'm to myself and you come find me and just mess with me in any type of way, friendship, relationship, it's like, okay, now I gotta do something to you to make myself feel better. Just like they said in Players Club, do something to make me feel good. Do something to make me feel good. No, for real, because I be having to do something to make me feel good. Because I'm like, okay, you mess with me, if you play with my feelings, oh nah, I gotta get back. But you're not gonna know that I got back. And my get back ain't sleeping with nobody, it ain't talking to your friends, it ain't none of that. I'm real lethal, okay? I'm real lethal, and I don't play those type of games. So yeah. But yeah, that's like a disclaimer. If you're going through anything in life or you're dealing with stuff, please do not date. Do not freaking date, because then you're adding on other people to your life when you don't need to be. Like, if you feel like you need to get your life together, then you just need to do that and get your life together. But if you feel like you want to just be fucking bitches, just keep it 100 and tell the person like, yeah, I ain't looking for nothing serious right now. I really just want to fuck bitches and go out on dates. Like, okay, cool. You play how you lay, like that. It is what it is. But niggas just can't be. Niggas just don't be keeping it 100. Like, niggas just don't be keeping it 100. And they swear they so freaking pee. Nigga, you ain't pee, you piss. You ain't pee, you piss. Okay. Shit, done pissed me off. But anyways, what else? Let me say what else I want to say. Boom. So we gonna get a little, not a little spiritual, but I'm trying to. It's so hard to get close to God, y'all. Like, I don't know. When you see stuff on the internet and everybody in their journey, some people make it look so smooth and so like yeah, this is what I did. I stopped this, I stopped that. But everybody's journey is different. But it's just like, I don't know. Like I said before, I don't know. I don't know what's been going on, but I just haven't been knowing. I really just have not been knowing, and that's not a good feeling. But we gonna have a lot more of these FaceTime calls because I don't want, like, I wanted to stick to my niche of doing hair on this channel, but it's just so more things to do. Y'all haven't really heard me talk like that, so it's like, okay, I do want to talk more. I do want to just connect with y'all a little bit more, because I'm like, as you can hear how I sound, like I'm not no person that's gonna be coming up here like that. Like, I'm very calm, I'm very smooth, I just be chilling. But I just still want to talk to you guys more often. I just don't want to be just posting hair videos and then like the little talk overs and stuff like that. I ain't trying to do that. Like, I don't mind, but I do want to just push myself a little bit more to kind of just talk and get out there. So I'm like, yeah, I could do what I do. I could do the two things I love: smoke and record. Like, it's really a win-win. I'm getting to it, going through it real calmly. It's really a win-win, but then I got right back up again. I'm about to eat my snacks. I got some Teddy Grahams. I don't know, I've been craving chocolate, maybe because my period coming soon, but I've been craving chocolate real bad. Real bad, okay? But yeah, I'm about to finish up this little clip. It was so good talking to y'all on FaceTime. Next time, do not take so long to answer, because then we got some things to talk about. And I'm actually going to give y'all the story time. So I got 2 story times coming for y'all, okay? I got 2 juicy story times coming for y'all. So I'm going to see y'all on the next session. Make sure y'all tap in and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We zooted and booted, and I'm out.